Hi, I'm Shweta Joshi and you're watching CIS Sandbox Sandcast, and today we are going to talk about database management systems. Database management system is most common systems used nowadays. Right from airports to college and schools, we can find various implementations of database management systems. But if I have to give a formal definition of database management system, I would say it is a collection of programs that enables you to store, modify, and extract information from a database. There are many different types of DBMS, ranging from small systems that run on personal computers to huge systems that run on mainframes. Now, to store data into database, programmers use a specific type of data model. A data model determines the logical structure of database and fundamentally determines in which manner data can be stored, organized, and manipulated. There are various types of data models, but among which 5 of them are famous: flat file model, hierarchical model, relational model, object-oriented model, and network model. Irrespective of type of data model which we are using, there are always 4 functions related to a database: database definition, update, retrieval, and administration. Data definition deals with creation, modification, removal of definition that defines the organization of the data. Update deals with insertion, modification, and deletion of the actual data. Retrieval provides information in a form directly usable or for the further processing by other applications, whereas administration deals with registering and monitoring users. Database model and functions are the basic structures of database, but in addition to this, data security also plays an important role in database management systems. Database security deals with all various aspects of protecting the database content, its owner, and its users. It ranges from protection from intentional unauthorized database uses to unintentional database access by unauthorized entities. And that's a quick look on database systems. To know more about it, you can search it on web, look at it in your textbook, ask your professor, or you can come and see us in CIS Sandbox. Have a great day.